Module Overview. In the tourism industry, financial and revenue management is the lifeblood that sustains growth, scalability, competitiveness, and longevity. Unlike traditional industries with tangible inventories, tourism products such as hotel rooms, airline seats, and tour packages are perishable, time-sensitive, and demand-volatile, requiring specialized strategies for cost control, pricing, forecasting, and revenue optimization. This module offers an in-depth analysis of how tourism enterprises, from small tour firms and local guides to multinational hotel chains and airlines, handle financial planning, budgeting, capital sourcing, expenditure control, and profit maximization. It also dives deep into the world of yield management, seasonal pricing, break-even analysis, financial ratios, and the integration of financial technology, FinTech, into tourism operations. 1. Introduction to Tourism. Financial Management. Unique financial challenges of tourism businesses. Intangibility and perishability of tourism products. Financial health as a function of liquidity, solvency, and profitability. Revenue sources in tourism. Accommodation, transport, meals, experiences, commission, ancillary services. 2. Tourism. Business budgeting and planning, developing annual and project-based budgets. Forecasting demand and aligning with operational planning. Fixed versus variable costs in tourism, e.g., lease versus guide salary. Creating capital and operational expenditure plans, risk buffers, and contingency allocations. Multi-year planning for large-scale tourism investments, resorts, cruise lines, etc. 3. Revenue streams and diversification. Primary income versus auxiliary services. Cross-selling and upselling in hospitality. Diversifying products for seasonality, off-season packages, corporate retreats, educational tours. Destination-based revenue, taxes, park fees, attraction ticketing. 4. Cost management and financial controls. Direct versus indirect costs, cost per tourist and cost per service model, overhead allocation, admin, utilities, etc., cost efficiency practices, automation, outsourcing, energy optimization, fraud detection, and financial audit in tourism firms. 5. Pricing strategies in tourism. Cost-based, market-based, and value-based pricing models. Dynamic pricing, real-time adjustments based on demand and competition. Psychological pricing, $99 instead of $100. Bundling and packaging, economics of tour packages. Geographic pricing, currency sensitivity and regional demand. 6. Revenue management and yield optimization. Revenue management systems, RMS, for airlines, hotels, cruises, forecasting models and data-driven pricing, capacity constraints and overbooking tactics, booking curve and revenue pacing, rate fences and segmentation, advance versus last-minute bookings, loyalty tiers, impact of distribution channels on net revenue. 7. Financial reporting and performance analysis, income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. Tourism-specific KPIs, RevPAR, revenue per available room, ADR, average daily rate, GOP, gross operating profit. Break-even analysis, determining viability of tours packages, profit margin analysis by segment, lodging, dining, tours, retail, ROI, return on investment, of tourism projects. 8. Investment and capital sourcing in tourism, equity versus debt financing. Investor relations for tourism startups and SMEs. Venture capital and crowdfunding in tourism. Public-private partnerships, PPP, in tourism infrastructure. Access to tourism development grants and international funds. 9. Risk management and financial resilience. Cash reserves and emergency funds, hedging against currency fluctuations, insurance, travel, liability, business continuity, scenario planning and forecasting for crises, pandemics, political unrest, climate events, digital financial fraud, protection strategies, 10. Technology and financial innovation, integration of FinTech for payments, budgeting, forecasting mobile payment systems in tourism, Apple Pay, M-Pesa, Alipay, blockchain in transaction security and transparent reporting AI in pricing and financial modeling, CRM plus, financial data analytics for personalized offers,